In this lab, we are going to do lab 4 and lab 5. Please open it. Open Packet Tracer on your laptop. Open it. The green one. Choose the green. For students, you can choose the green. Okay. Lab. Open the course lab. Okay. Here, this is the lab. So the first lab, we are going to locate the MAC address of a computer. So let's create a computer, please. I know some of you, maybe this is first time you are introduced to Packet Tracer, no problem. So here, this is Packet Tracer. See, I have files so that I can save the file. So let's do step by step. Let's choose, first you choose the category. First you choose the categories. The categories تحت هذول. We choose the computer category, here the next icon. Click on it. Then on the right side, you see the type of computers, PC, laptop, server. So let us choose laptop and drag it. And let us choose desktop or computer. Okay. Here we have a server. Then we have Meraki server. Okay. Let's choose a PC. We have already chosen. Let's choose a laptop here. Okay. Are they connected? Not yet. But now we want to check and configure this computer IP address. If we want to check the computer IP address, are we all following? Okay, click on it. Go to desktop. Choose command prompt. I am doing the lab 4. Click on command prompt. Type IP config. Enter. So it will show us the IP address of this computer. What is the IP address here? Because we have not configured it yet. And it's not connected to anything. Okay. All right. If I want to, and here we have also what is the subnet mask, what is the default gateway. If I want to check the MAC address, I want to get more details. So I will type ipconfig. By the way, if I use the arrow, it will bring back the previous command. Up arrow, down arrow, it will bring back the previous command. ipconfig space /all. I get more informations, such as, look here, ipconfig all. Now I have the physical address. Physical address, what is it? The MAC address. Okay, type command prompt, ipconfig. Okay. I will repeat it, but let us finish this part. ipconfig. This is MAC address. Okay. And we have the IP version 4 address. We have the gateway and we have the DHCP. Space, click on space, it will show you the rest of the information. Now let me repeat this part. This time I will repeat it for the laptop. Did you insert the laptop and PC? Have you done this part? Anybody did not do this part? Put your hand up.
What part?
Computer. Did you put computer here? Okay, put it. Drag it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Drag. Just click and drag. Let's go step by step, please. Okay. خلاص Abdullah. All right. Now I want to check. A lab 4 is telling you to check the IP address and to check the MAC address. To do that, I will click on the computer or the laptop. Let's click on the laptop this time. Then go to click on select desktop. Choose command prompt. The command to check IP address to get summary information is ipconfig. It will show you the IP address. What is the IP address here? Version 4. dot zero dot zero. No, we did not configure. It's not connected to anything. But if I want to get more information about this device, I will type ipconfig space slash all. Sorry, slash all. Now I get more information. Space bar, and it will get. This is the MAC address. Physical address, yani the MAC address. Okay. What are these numbers? These are hexadecimal. How many digits hexadecimal? 12. If I convert it to binary, I multiply by 4. So it is 12 times 4, 48 bits. 48 bits. Okay. 24 bits are for the OUI, اللي هو manufacturer, و 24 bits for the card itself. Okay. النيك كارد شباب النتورك كارد لها اي دي بنسميها physical address or MAC address. It is, we have mentioned this before. It's 48 bits. 24 bits is for the manufacturer, code للmanufacturer like Dell or, و 24 bits الاخرين هو رقم للكارت تسلسل. Okay. Okay, so we are done with this part. Now, if you want to check that the card is working properly and your TCP IP stack is working, the command is ping 127.0.0.1. So this is for troubleshooting. This is for troubleshooting, okay? Ping 127.0.0.1. How many packets are sent? 4. How many packets received? 4, so it's 100% okay. This means that my TCP IP stack is okay. Okay, Shabab? Okay, thank you. So this is what they are requested for Lab 4, mainly. If you want to see who are the vendors of the Mac of the network cards, you click here. Okay. It will show you some. You can. There are different ways actually to find it. Okay. Here they have a lookup tool to find the manufacturer. Okay. So now let's go back to our lab. Let's go now next. So we have done this. We have done PC. We have done ipconfig. We have done ipconfig/all. Okay. Please, you need to answer these questions later on. This is the command ping 127.0.0.1. Okay. It is used for testing the TCP IP stack. Okay. On your laptop itself. Loopback address. This is called loopback, يعني لنفس الديفايس. يعني بيرجع لنفس الكمبيوتر. If I want to test connection to another computer, then I need to ping that computer. Okay. If I want to test the TCP IP stack on my laptop, I can ping my own laptop IP address. Okay. Now we are done with this lab. Now we'll start lab 5. In this lab, we are going to create a simple network of switches. We are going to deploy 2 switches. The switch type is 2960. Okay. And then we need to create we need to collect also a PC. Okay. So I will do this lab, inshallah, and then we will. These are the connection. PC1 connected to fast Ethernet to switch fast to the switch 0/2. PC2 is connected to switch 0 port 2/3. Okay, and so on. So let's do that. Let me go back to my laptop, to my packet tracer. Now let me delete this. You see how I deleted it? Just hit delete, then you will have the hit delete, but then you will get this X. Then you select. Now escape when I'm done. Now how do I choose a switch? Now the first category is for routers and switches. Okay. So here I have the network device. Here I go down. These are the routers. No, now I need a switch. The second icon. Click on it. Then you will have here the models. Which switch model they asked us to use in the lab? 2960. Very good. Here one. Another time, click on the switch and then drag. Okay. I am recording this so you can see the recording. Now I need also to make it look nice. Okay, please. Now I will connect also six computers. So I'll click on the computer category, PC1, PC2 here, and then PC3 here, PC4, PC5. Okay. Then I will connect the computers to the switch. So I will go to the cable category. This is the cable category. Okay. To connect a PC to the switch, it's a straight through cable, copper straight through cable. Click on it. Click on the PC. The connection is fast Ethernet 0. How did I know fast Ethernet 0? It is written in the lab manual. And this is the only port, the only network card on the PC. On the switch 0, it is connected to which port? 0/2, right? Or /1? Look at the manual, lab manual. It says PC1 is connected /2. So when I click here, I will choose 0/2. It's very important to follow the instruction. Now for this PC again, I will choose the straight through cable. Click on the PC, fast Ethernet 0, and then here it is fast Ethernet 0/3. Done. Now I need to connect PC3 as well. So cable again, PC3. Yes. Yeah. The PC itself is 0/1. Again, now here I will choose the PC, fast Ethernet 0. Here it is 0/1. Again, click on the PC. Oops, what happened? Yeah, you need to choose the cable. 2, and then number 3. Each time you have to choose, select the cable. What happened? Yeah. Here, fast Ethernet. Which port? 3. To connect the switch to switch, can we use copper straight through cable? No. We have to use crossover cable. So I will choose crossover cable. Click on the switch. Which port shall we use? The Giga Ethernet, right? They said here already. Connect the switches. Giga Ethernet 0/1. Okay. Go back. So here, Giga Ethernet 0/1. And on this switch also, Giga Ethernet 0/1. Alhamdulillah. Okay, done. We are done with lab 4. Very good start. Please watch this. I have recorded it. Try to do it many times. Okay? Yes. Yeah, now we will give names. Yes. Now we can give names here: PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, switch 0, switch 1. They did not ask us to change the names. You want to give them different, because they did not ask to change the name of the name. Why you want to change the names? May I ask? In the next exercise, we will change the names. Okay. But if you want to change the name, just click on it here. Yeah. Or click on the computer, go to config. This is the name here. Here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
All right. So we are done now with lab 4.